Do you want to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnail in just 2 minutes without Photoshop, without any skill and 100% free? So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make professional YouTube thumbnail using Google free AI tool called ImageFX. Step 1. Open tool. First, open Google and search for ImageFX AI. Click on the official Google ImageFX website and sign in using Google account. Step 2. Write prompt. Now in the prompt box, describe your thumbnail idea clearly, like text, background, face, expression and style. ImageFX will generate high quality thumbnail image instantly. Step 3. Download image. Choose the best image you like and download it. You can also regenerate if you want different style. Step 4. Add text. After downloading, add bold text using any free app like Canva or pixellab to complete your thumbnail. And that's it. Your YouTube thumbnail is ready in just 2 minutes, completely free. If you like this video, give thumbs up, like and subscribe to this channel. Have a great time.